Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, get ready because we have got some spoilers for the April Ipsy Ultimate Bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was for the Ipsy Plus April bag. Congratulations, Minerva's Owl. Minerva says, hi, babe. Well, hi, Minerva, honey. How have you been doing? I'm so happy to see you down in the comment section, and I appreciate you watching all my videos, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, this is for the Ipsy Ultimate April bag. So let's first of all take a look at this bag right here. Again, I think they're absolutely adorable. They did all 3 bags in pastel colors. If you have yet to see spoilers of the bags from the other subscriptions, from standard or plus, I'm going to link those below. Now let's look at these spoilers, y'all. So first up is the IB Beauty Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette, y'all. This is perfect for spring. There's something about this palette. It's just gorgeous, y'all. Next up is the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set. Now that looks pretty neat right there. I like that it's in a set too. Next up is the Jules Smith Beauty. This is the Power 5 eyeshadow palette. Now, there's something about this eyeshadow palette that I don't like, guys. I don't know what it is. Now, I think the colors in it is all right, but look at the inside of it. I don't know. There's just something about it I don't like. I don't know why. Y'all tell me what you think. Next up is the Il Maquillage Long Wear Eye Pencil, and there's different shades. So you're going to get one in either Batman, Sylvester, Metallica, Cosmo, Oreo, or the shade Hero. Now, next up is the Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. And then we have the Cottage Greenhouse Orange and Honey Face Mask. Ooh, that looks interesting, y'all. And then last but certainly not least is the Verso Skincare Dark Spot Fix. Now, that right there is what I need. As soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in a loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Robin Wolf. Robin says, thank you so much for the spoilers. Well, Robin, honey, thank you for coming and watching these spoilers. I wouldn't be doing these if it weren't for y'all, and I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been stealing my subscribers. But if you would, double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.